Hi, I'm Leo. I'm a computer scientist and software developer, and I'm also the author of the course Concurrency in Go. In this course, we'll learn about the theory of concurrency, how it can improve the performance and efficiency of your applications, and how to implement concurrent programs in Google's Go programming language. Go has been around for a few years now, and more businesses are looking for Go programmers. Most of these companies are interested in the concurrency benefits of the Go language, and getting some experience both with the practical side and the theory of Go concurrency will help you both ace the interview and be an effective developer. In this course, I demonstrate how to use concurrent architecture to build a physics simulation, a Reddit and Hacker News client, and a powerful news aggregator and search engine. By taking this course, not only will you have a good understanding of Go and concurrency, but you'll have the foundation of a great project which you can show to future employers and extend into something that is uniquely yours. I hope to see you in the next section, and good luck.